Hi guys, how are you all doing? I really hope that you all are well and safe wherever you are. Okay, so this is another positivity reading that I'm doing today. Okay, and as usual, I'm using my Miracles Now deck. It is an affirmation deck. Okay, I love using this deck because these are the affirmations that we can work on. So today the card which I have received is happiness is a choice I make. And I think this is one of my most favorite cards in the deck because this makes us feel so much so much powerful, and it reinforces the fact that we all are creators and we all have choice every single day, every single minute, every single second of our life, where we can choose to have a certain thought and choose to have certain emotion, and we can stop playing the victim card, blaming the situations to be sad. In every situation we always have a choice to feel a certain way, to think a certain way, to act a certain way. So happiness is one of the emotions. Happiness is the nature of your soul. It is the nature of your being, which is constantly there, inside you. It is the nature of your being itself, the soul itself. But what has happened is, over a period of time, we have trained our minds to look for happiness in the external world. And in today's world, what is happening is we are chasing external things. And it's not bad to chase external things. It's not bad to be a goal oriented person. But what is the difference is you postponing your happiness, or you making your happiness dependent on the end result of your goals and not being happy while achieving them, right? So being happy and working on your goals is a different thing, not making your happiness dependent on the external situations, or what is the measure of your success, or how much you earn, or what kind of relationship you have. So not making it dependent. Other than that, be happy and go with your life. Do work, earn well, have goals, have ambitions, but never let your happiness get affected by whatever happens in the external situation. When we are able to create that, you get so much strength and you get so much power. You draw so much power within your own soul, and it will definitely affect your surroundings and your life and everyone that you meet. Definitely, you will be able to radiate happiness. It is just a choice that you need to make, that I can be happy, and happiness is a choice which I make, right? Every thought is a choice, every feeling is a choice. Okay, so this just reminds us that how much power we hold. We are the co-creators. So you can literally decide, you can literally train your mind, and you can work on this affirmation. I'm sure you will feel a lot better when we literally train our minds to think this way, because we have forgotten. So happiness is a choice I make, a beautiful affirmation which you can include in your daily lives. So I really hope that you like this card and you like this reading. Okay, please comment if you have any questions, and please like the video. Thank you so much.